students, so far in algebraic expression you know addition, subtraction, multiplication of algebraic expression. So in this session let us discuss some algebraic identities. So first, a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means a plus b multiplied with a plus b. So we have to multiply binomial with a binomial. So this is equal to a multiplied with a plus b multiplied with a plus b. So this becomes a multiplied with a square plus a b plus b square. So this is equal to a square plus ab plus ab. This is equal to 2ab plus b square. So this is a plus b whole square. So this is our first identity. So first identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then come to what is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b multiplied with a minus b. So this is equal to a multiplied with a minus b multiplied with a minus b. So this is equal to a multiplied with a square minus ab, then minus ba plus b square. So this is equal to a square. ab and ba are like terms. So this is equal to minus 2ab plus b square. So this is our second identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then next, a plus b whole into a minus b. This is equal to a multiplied with a minus b plus b multiplied with a minus b. So this is equal to a square minus ab plus ba minus b square. So this is equal to minus ab. This is ba means ab. So this becomes 0. So a square minus b square. So our third identity is a plus b multiplied with a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then what about x plus a multiplied with x plus b? So this becomes x multiplied with x plus b plus a multiplied with x plus b. So this is equal to x multiplied with x square plus xb plus ax plus ab. So this can be written as x square plus a plus b whole into x. Here in these two terms x is common plus ab. So this is our fourth identity. That means x plus a whole into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. So these four identities you have to remember so that you can apply this in solving other problems. So let us solve some examples by using the identities. Next example, 2x plus 3y whole square. So we can multiply this binomial directly also. So 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y multiplied with 2x plus 3y. So this is equal to 2x multiplied with 2x plus 3y plus 3y multiplied with 2x plus 3y. So this equal to 2x multiplied with 2x 4x square, 2x multiplied with 3y plus 6xy plus 3y multiplied with 2x 6xy plus 9y square. So this is equal to 4x square 6xy 6xy. This is 12xy plus 9y square. Or we can use identity here. 2x plus 3y whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So here 2x plus 3y whole square. So here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. So by putting 2x plus 2x and 3y in the identity, we can find this value. So what is? So 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to a square, means 2x square plus 2ab, 2 multiplied with 2x multiplied with 3y, plus b square, 3y whole square. So this is equal to 4x square plus 2, 2, 4, 3, 12xy plus 9y square. The answers both in method, so you can adopt any method, but here you have to use the identity. Find 4p minus 3q whole square using identity. So here 4p minus 3q whole square, it is in the form of our second identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is equal to 4p and b is equal to 3q. So a minus b whole square we know, so that is 4p minus 3q whole square is equal to a square, 4p square minus 2ab, 2 multiplied with 4p multiplied with 3q plus 3q whole square. So this is equal to 16p square minus 2 multiplied with 8, 3, 24pq plus 9q square. So this is the answer. Next example, using identity, find 103 whole square. So 103 square we can find by multiplication, 103 multiplied with 103. But here we will use the identity. So 103 square can be written as 100 plus 3 whole square. For our easy calculation, we can convert it into 100 plus 3 whole square. So here a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 3. So 100 plus 3 whole square is equal to 100 square plus 2 multiplied with 100 multiplied with 3 plus 3 whole square. So this is equal to 10,000 plus 600 plus 9. So this is equal to 1060, 10,609 is the 103 whole square. Next example, 3 by 2m plus 2 by 3n whole into 3 by 2m minus 2 by 3n. So this multiplication is in the form of this identity, a plus b whole into a minus b. Here a is equal to 3 by 2m and b is equal to 2 by 3n. So what is a plus b multiplied with a minus b? That is equal to a square minus b square. So 3 by 2m plus 2 by 3n multiplied with 3 by 2m minus 2 by 3n is equal to 3 by 2m whole square, a square minus b square, 2 by 3n whole square. So this is equal to 9 by 4m square minus 4 by 9n square. Next example, using identity, find 983 square minus 17 square. So first you find it is in which identity. We will use which identity here. So a square minus b square, 983 square minus 17 square. So here a is equal to 983 and b is equal to 17. So 983 square minus 17 square is equal to a square minus b square is equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. So 983 plus 17 multiplied with 983 minus 17. So this is equal to, this is 1000 multiplied with, this is 966. So this is equal to 966000. So we can find by using identity. Here 194 multiplied with 206. So first our duty is to convert this form into any identity. That's why we will easily apply that identity. So 194 can be written as 200 minus 6, and 206 can be written as 200 plus 6. So now this is in the form of this identity, a plus b multiplied with a minus b. So here a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 6. So this equal to 194 multiplied with 206 is equal to 200 square minus 6 square. So this is equal to 40,000 minus 36. So this is equal to 10 minus 6, 4, 6, 9, 9, 3. So this is the answer. Next example, 501 multiplied with 502. So we can convert it in the identity x plus a multiplied with x plus b. How? So 501 can be written as 500 plus 1 multiplied with 500 plus 2. So this is in the form of x plus a whole into x plus b. So here x is equal to 500, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So 500 plus 1 multiplied with 500 plus 2 is equal to, our identity is x square. 500 square plus a plus b whole into x. 1 plus 2 multiplied with 500 plus ab. 1 multiplied with 2. So this is equal to 500 square. This is 500 square plus 3 multiplied with 500, 1500 plus 2. So this is equal to 251502. So this is the answer. Next, 95 multiplied with 103. So first we will convert it in this form, x plus a whole into x plus b. So 95 can be written as 100 minus 5 and 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. So here this is in the form of x plus a multiplied with x plus b, where x is equal to 100, a is equal to, here a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 3. So then we apply the identity. So 100 minus 5 multiplied with 100 plus 3 is equal to x square. 100 square plus a plus b whole into x minus 5 plus 3 whole into x plus minus 5 multiplied with 3. So this is equal to 10,000 minus, this is minus 2 multiplied with 100, minus 200 minus 50. So this is equal to 10,000 minus 250. So this is equal to 5. So this is the answer. So this is all about the algebraic identities and its application to solve some problems. So now you can able to solve some problems by using these algebraic identities.